students, how are you? Today we will start F.Sc Mathematics chapter number 3 integration exercise 3.2 question number 1 fifth part. The given function f of x is equal to integral under root x plus 1 whole square into dx. Here is the whole square of the function. So first of all we will open this square and then we will integrate it, because if we will not open the square then the function will become some complications. So that's why we will first open the square of the function and then we will integrate it. So the square of the function have two terms only, so we will use here a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, this formula, which is first term square plus second term square plus 2 and first term multiplied by second term into dx. And now this square will cancel out with the square root. The equation becomes x plus the square of 1 is 1 plus, and when we solve it, it becomes 2 under root x into dx. Now this is a simple case. Our statement or our function have three different terms, so we will integrate separately all of them. First term integration plus second term integration plus third term integration. Here the power of this function is only 1, so we will use the simple formula of integration here. Increment, only one increment in the power of the function divided by the new power 1 plus 1, plus here only 1, so the function will become x, the integration of this function, plus 2 is the constant, so we will take it out of the integration and we will integrate only this function under root x. The power of this function is 1 by 2 because of this under root of this square root, so 1 by 2 plus 1 increment and divided by the same new power 1 by 2 plus 1 and plus constant of integration. By solving we can get square over 2 plus x plus 2 into x power 3 by 2 by solving this power, and by solving this factor it becomes 3 by 2 plus c. X square by 2 plus x plus, this is the double reciprocal, so when we take it out it will become 2 into 2 by 3, not 3 by 2, because of this double reciprocal. X 3 by 2 plus c, or x square over 2 plus x plus 4 by 3 x power 3 by 2 plus c. This is the solution of this question, and we don't know that is it right or wrong. So to prove it we will again take its derivative, and this checking is not a part of this question. I am taking it from myself just to check that our integration is right or wrong. This is not a part of this question. So to check, this is f of x, x square over 2 plus x plus 4 by 3 x power 3 by 2 plus c. So by taking derivative f prime of x, when we take the derivative of this function it will become this 1 by 2 separate, and by taking its derivative power must be multiplied and decrease in the power by 1, plus again decrease in the power by 1, plus 4 by 3 is a constant, so we take it out from the derivative, this power multiplied and taking 3 by 2 minus 1 and plus c is a constant, so constant of integration is 0. We know this. 2 cancelled by 2, x power 1 plus x power 0, so something power 0 will become 1, plus 3 cancelled by 3, 2 cancelled by 4 will become 2 into x power, when we solve it it becomes 1 by 2, and here x plus 1 plus 2 into under root x, sorry, here, and this is the same function as we integrate it, the same one. So this one is the inverse of this function, this one, which is the result of integration. So we can say that our result of this integration is correct one. Hope so you can understand it well. We'll meet in the next video. Bye.